Today we are going to draw cute cartoon Valentine's birds. Since we are drawing two birds, we have to divide our page into two. So this looks like the center of our page. So we just draw a dotted line to help us, guide us. Start, we draw the body of the bird somewhere from here. Then we draw the lower body. Now we draw the bird's mouth, and then we draw the bird's wings, the bird's eyes, and the eyelashes. Now we have to draw the bird's feet. Then we draw bird's tail. We're going to make a heart here. Now we are going to draw the other half. And just to make sure we are drawing the same way, we have to draw an approximation line. So we're going to start from somewhere around here. Then the bird's wings, the eyes, bird's legs, and then the heart. That's our bird. And we have to draw a heart here. Now we want to show the birds are sitting on a tree branch. We draw a few designs for the tree, and we draw some leaves. Let's start coloring the birds. Again, we are going to draw the hearts red. Let's start coloring. We're going to color all the hearts red. Now we are going to color the girl bird in pink. We're going to color this bird's wing a light pink. We're going to color the bird's body a dark pink. Now we are going to color the other bird's body blue. The wing is going to be light blue. And the body is going to be dark blue. We're going to color the bird's mouth brown. Now we're going to color all the leaves green. The tree branch is going to be brown. Now we're going to color the background beautiful sunset yellowish orange. And there you go, our Valentine's birds are ready.